Have you ever had to face an adult bully who seemed determined to knock you down? What if instead of breaking you, they were unknowingly helping you to break through? Bullies can catalyze transformation, pushing you to find your authentic self and to step into your greatness if you align your perspective to allow it to happen. The problem is that bullies challenge your sense of self. Adult bullies aren't just confined to the schoolyard. They show up in workplaces, families, and social circles. They often criticize to try and undermine your confidence, mock or exclude you to try and make you feel small, or dominate conversations to try to silence your voice. Their behaviour has the potential to leave you feeling powerless and questioning your worth. But here's the truth. Their actions are about them, not you. And when you shift your perspective, you'll be able to see that they've unintentionally done you a big favour. Bullies can push you to the brink. Bullies can irritate and challenge you because they highlight the areas where you're not fully aligned with your higher self yet. Their actions force you to confront your unresolved insecurities, the parts of yourself that you've been hiding or neglecting. Their actions can force you to confront your suppressed potential, the greatness within you that you've been too afraid to embrace so far. Their actions can force you to confront your fear of standing out, the hesitation to fully express your authenticity. At first, their behavior might feel unbearable. But when you stop resisting and start reflecting, you'll be able to realize that every criticism, every insult, every false accusation is an opportunity for you to grow stronger and more aligned. You can transform the energy. You can transform their bullying energy into fuel for your own alignment. You can use the energy of their bullying as a springboard for finding your authentic voice and stepping into your greatness. Reframe your experiences. See the gift behind the pain. The first step to transforming bullying is to shift your perspective. Ask yourself, what is this situation teaching me about myself? Understand that bullies attack you because your potential intimidates them. It can help you to realize that their actions are a mirror, spotlighting parts of you, spotlighting parts of your subconscious that do need to be addressed, reflecting where you can further your growth and align with your true self. And this can sound like a crazy idea when you're in the thick of it. But when you get the chance to step back, when you decide to step back and to breathe out, you can train yourself to practice gratitude for what the bullies have revealed to you. Take your power back. Say silently to yourself something like, "Thank you for showing me where I need to grow and for pushing me towards my higher self." Go inward. Connect with your authentic voice. Bullying often silences your true voice, but now is the time to reclaim it. Meditate to reconnect with your inner self. Gently rub your heart and say, "I connect and communicate with my heart, and my heart connects and communicates with me." Or, "I connect and communicate with my higher self, and my higher self connects and communicates with me." Identify your core values. What truly matters to you, regardless of other people's opinions? Speak your truth. Start small by expressing your authentic thoughts in safe environments. As your confidence gets restored, as you restore your confidence, Expand to more challenging situations. Use the energy to fuel your growth. Instead of letting the bully's negativity drain you, use it as fuel to pursue your passions. Dive into the things that light you up. What are they? Make a list. Make a list of 40 things that you love to do and do something off that list every day. If you can't think of 40 things, just start and then keep adding as you go. Swim, walk, hop, skip, jump, run, write, paint, sing, drink peppermint tea, listen to music, watch a comedy, read a book, listen to a podcast, talk to your crystals, listen to your crystals, meditate, cook, learn a language, dream of travel destinations you'd love to go to. What are your passions? Make a list. The reason I recommend you make a list is because when you're relaxed, it's easy to think of passion projects to do. But if you're being bullied, if you're being pressured, if you're being manipulated or targeted in any way, your conscious brain can shut down and your subconscious flight, fight or freeze response can take over. And in those moments, if you can just open your list, point to anything at all and do that, you'll be doing yourself a good service. Build your resilience. Take every insult, every criticism, every false accusation, psychic attack, death spell, ugly spell, binding spell, whatever other spells, slander or gossip, as proof of your own strength. Align with your highest self. Focus on the bigger picture and becoming the person that you're meant to be. Don't complain, don't explain. Get on with being a better version of yourself. Get on with being a better version of yourself that doesn't attract bullies, that bullies don't want to mess with. Get on with being a better version of yourself that bullies recognize their mistake if they mess with you. Every time their actions irritate you, let it remind you to stand taller, shine brighter, and probably stay away from people like that whenever you can. If you've turned a painful experience with a bully into an opportunity for growth, share your story. Inspire others to embrace their transformation. Inspire others to be the hero in their own journey, to be the hero in their own life. And meanwhile, be the hero in your life. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and turn your painful experiences into opportunities for growth. Help others to see how they can turn their challenges into stepping stones too. Your bullies may have pushed you to the brink, but if you've risen above it already, you know you're a stronger person for it. And if you're still in the process of rising above, of resolving your insecurities, of finding your suppressed potential and getting comfortable standing in your truth, continue on your journey to alignment. Continue on your version. Continue on your journey to your version of greatness and your version of fulfillment, whatever that looks like for you.